Hey guys, good morning. My name is Amaya. I'm an offshoring consultant, and I've come to Las Vegas just to attend one of the industry expo on Contact Center and BPO industry. And it's a beautiful morning, and I'm going to film a video on topic artificial intelligence in Contact Center and BPO industry. Before I start, let me show you this such a beautiful view. It's a neighborhood of Las Vegas, and I'm taking my morning walk. Okay, coming back to the topic about artificial intelligence in contact center and BPO industry. So yesterday I attended this event. It was yesterday was the first day. Today is going to be the second day of the expo. There were many companies who had participated in uh, in the contact center expo in convention center in Las Vegas. So those companies I have seen mostly about the AI and artificial intelligence when it comes to chatbots or virtual assistants, speech analytics, predictive analytics, automated call routing. There are many companies out there. How is it going to be affecting our industry? What is the future of it? So let's discuss that. So what I see is, especially at least the current moment, what I see, uh, not about the future, but the current moment I see is that if you are going to make outbound calls, especially the outbound call industry, it's going to have immediate changes in it because I see that you can literally make thousands of phone calls, thousands of outbound calls in very short span of time with very limited agents. And those calls are taken by AI in a human voice, natural human voice. You can't even make out that it's AI. So whether it's outbound sales calls, data collections, or many any outbound calls basically, where there is a repetitive same script happening to make the phone calls, it can be done by AI, and then AI can send you. So let's see that if in case if AI makes 15, 20,000 phone calls in just a span of hour or two, then it will send the best interested potential prospects or leads to the live agents, and which could be maybe 150, 200. So it can filter out the data and then send the best interested leads who are interested in your services to the live agents. So the live agents are not going to be completely gone. I don't think it's going to happen. But of course, it will affect, or it will make the system more efficient in terms of making those outbound calls. That's one thing. Second thing is about conversational AI. So um, what I see from yesterday's conference is that in conversational AI can even change your voice. It can change your accent, especially if you're taking calls from India or the Philippines, and then we understand it's not our native language. English is not our first language, so we have we speak Hindi and other languages. So there may be an accent when you're speaking with American customers or British or Australian customers. So if you want to change that accent, AI can do that on a live calls. So when you're on live calls, AI can change that accent into Australian or the American accent as and when required. That's the second thing what I have seen. Third thing what I see is automating routine tasks. So what we have seen is when it comes to the workflows, every organization has their own workflows and the way the work is done from departments to departments, whether it is a data processing, back office, the front office, the contact centers, it could be anything. So in many cases, the work is going to be a lot more efficient and easy with the help of AI. But of course, now the main question is whether AI will replace the human agents completely, and whether the contact center industry will be at stake, or will it be challenging to start any contact centers, or the future of contact centers, we can say. My answer is because I filmed this video. I've done one podcast with the CEO of Synergy BPO, which is 1,000+ employees company in the Philippines. So I've done that podcast with him. And his name is John McKenzie, who's the CEO of Synergy BPO. I filmed that video, and it's on my YouTube channel as well. So He comes with 25, 30 years of experience. I asked him the same question: what do you see the future of AI with the contact center industry? And I think we both share the same vision. I think the same page that it's not going to replace the human agents 100%. Not possible. Let me give you the reason why. Let's say especially the airlines, the airlines industry, which is using the contact centers. Now, if you're traveling internationally, and if you're at the airport, and if you lose your baggage, if you don't get your baggage in time, as a customer, would you like to speak with an AI or chatbot, or would you like to have a live agent on call who understands your emotion? Do you get the point? So it's very important for humans to have a human interactions, not the AI interactions. Yes, AI will of course will take care of the preliminary work, or it will understand that what is the query about, and then it will take the first level of information and then will forward it to the live agent. But yes, live agents will definitely be needed. So that's my view on AI. Now coming back to the industry expo, I'm here in Las Vegas. This is the second day of Contact Center Industry Expo. So I'm sure if you guys come from the contact center and BPO industry, if you're working or if you have your own business, I'm sure you guys will be interested in this video. So I'm going to be filming a lot of videos on the contact center and BPO industry in Vegas. I'll be traveling to San Francisco, New York City, and then I'll be heading back to India. So I'm going to be filming lots of videos over there. So stay tuned, keep watching, keep sharing these videos to many people in our industry. Don't keep these videos only to yourself. Also, make sure that you leave a comment with your questions, with your introduction, what you guys do. So leave a comment below. I'll be very interested. In case if you have some interesting questions, I will be also interested in filming the video on that topic. Let me show you this morning quickly. You see those beautiful mountains over there. This is outside of Las Vegas. The main street is like 10 minutes from here, 10 minutes drive. So anyway, so those are my views on the artificial intelligence and the future of the contact center and BPO industry. There are many booths who have many companies who have there are many companies who have participated in Las Vegas Convention Center in Contact Center Industry Expo. I have filmed their videos, I have interviewed their CEOs, and I'm also sharing that all information on my social media, on my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So if you guys have not subscribed me or followed me, make sure that you give me a follow and subscribe. Like this channel, share these videos with many people. If you want to get in touch with me, you can get in touch with me on my WhatsApp. My number is +91 9511 841 495. In this video, I'll take your leave and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.